Welcome to Custom Fab Garage. This is our new show that we're featuring on OCTANE TV on our channel on YouTube. Hope you guys are having a great day. The weather is absolutely amazing today. It actually is going to probably hit 80 degrees for the first time. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you go down and subscribe and even hit that notification bell so you get all the new content that we'll have coming out every single day. On top of that, we're going to be posting up new content at least 3 to 5 times per week. So please stay tuned. Yep.
I do like the grill, though. That's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
he had that custom grill put on there. There's all kinds of spots here and rock chips. There's a bunch over there on the
You
seat.
can definitely tell a difference between the two models on certain things.
It's hard to see in here, but this is all dry sprayed real bad. Looks really bad. Amps are just sitting down there. Subs are just screwed in here. This part here is just a piece of carpeted MDF ring that they just screwed onto there. The head unit they did a good job on. There's another sub behind the thing. They did these pieces here with the speakers. So there's a lot that has to be fixed on this before we can even move forward. There's just a lot that's gonna have to be done. Some of it's good, some of it's really bad. And then this one is brand new-ish, way newer than that one. It's the newer year, but this one has been completely unmolested and completely stock. Still has a stock head unit, stock speakers and everything. So this one will be a lot easier to do because nothing has been altered or changed, which will be really nice. So that way we don't have to worry about going behind somebody and doing their work afterwards. Big pimpin' over here. Damn, that thing is badass. Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, we fit them in here, so geez Louise. The shit we go through on a daily basis to try to fit vehicles, I'll tell you.
Well, let's take these back.
No, I'm just gonna go tell him. We gotta go get it. Okay, this is a video just to show what this looked like before when we got it. You know, they did the head unit, doesn't look terrible. It's definitely not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's definitely not the best thing I've ever seen, but they did a good job on these pods. You know, bought those aftermarket, put those in. These speaker boxes, they just took and screwed directly into this piece. They sound terrible. This is how the amps were, just sitting, just laying down here. That's how we got them. That's how everything looks. It's the exact same way underneath that seat, in the same way with that speaker box on that side. So they just threw this stuff in here. I mean, I hate to hate on anybody, but I mean, this is sad for paying almost $6,000. So this is what they did just to make these pods, is they just took and put a piece of carpet on a piece and shoved it out here another inch or so. So when you put your leg in here, you sit your leg basically on that. These are the pods that they put on there, and I don't know if you can see how bad they're dry sprayed, but whoever cleared these looked like they used rattle can. I mean, it's probably the worst thing I've ever seen. But I don't understand how people can do this quality of work on a slingshot that is this nice. I mean, super, super nice quality. and screw people over with this. So it's just sad. The thing sounds, I mean, it doesn't sound much better than factory Slingshot. So this is what we're gonna take out, replace, do all new audio, all new fabrication, everything. So this is kind of the before video of what we're dealing with. I didn't think this would get much worse, but here we have a wafer fuse with no fuse holder, basically top on it, just bare, with a bare battery just sitting here. Speaker wire with no disconnection, no speaker terminal, no nothing, and a box that is legitimately built out of 1/2-inch wood, 1/2 inch, for a sub that handles 500 plus RMS easily. Running 750 watts RMS to a 1/2-inch box. I mean, I don't get this shit. I don't understand how people can sit here and do this to other people. I mean, this is embarrassing. So as if the badness doesn't end, they've got a Y adapter on here for 2 speakers. So got a mono input into a stereo adapter here. So I bet he gets the best sound possible with 1 input versus 2 for a left and right single input. So this is just insane once we start taking this apart, how they have this thing put together. I mean, it's just insane. So I know I wouldn't be putting a 300 amp wafer fuse in here with no fuse holder, clear top on it, for just a bare wafer fuse holder. So I bet that's real good if it caught on fire. Good what, buddy?
Take the sub out to disconnect it from the wires.
Yeah, I gotta cut it.
Oh, you're just cutting the wires?
Yeah, they didn't put any speaker terminals or anything on there. Not the most intelligent people. Now we should be able to pull that one because it'll do the other one. And I gotta take all this shit out too. This is ridiculous, man. I've seen some ghetto ass shit, man, but this definitely takes the cake in a slingshot, man. Oh my God, look at those RCAs. Jesus. So over here on the driver's side, we have the same scenario. And here we've got the cheapest audio pipe, $1.79 RCAs you could possibly use on an amplifier. So they definitely spared no cost when doing this install. Well, everything's taken out. This thing's completely gutted, besides the radio. Now on to something new.